guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple chicken varuval. My ingredients are about 2 to 3 cm ginger with 3 cloves of garlic, which has to be pounded to make a ginger garlic paste, 1 medium sized tomato, 1 medium sized onion, 1 sprig of curry leaves, 5 dry chillies, a few cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise, 2 cardamon, 2 cloves, Fennel seeds, cumin seeds, garam masala, coriander powder, chilli powder, salt, oil, dark soy, which is optional. I've taken here the main ingredient, which is 1 kilogram of chicken, which I have marinated with 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, marinate for about 20 minutes and then fry it. Okay, this is the chicken after fried. I used the air fryer, so less oil. So don't over fry, it's about like half fried. Heat up about 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, add 2 tablespoons of chilli powder, fry on medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, fry until it's a bit oily. Fry on medium or low flame. Add about 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. This is to make the chicken varuval darker in color. This is optional. If you don't want to add this, also okay. Turning off the stove. So this is the chicken varuval ready to be served. Thank you. I know you're not enough.